Hi creators, welcome to my channel NXT Creators. In this video, we will be discussing how to solve pyaudio installation error using pip. Okay, so without delays, let's start it. Okay, we are going to solve this in two ways. Okay, first you need to open your terminal. So after opening your terminal, just type pip install pyaudio. Sorry, this will surely get you an error. Okay, wait for some time. Yeah, here's the error. Okay, what is this error? You can see over here. Yes, error is Microsoft Visual C++ 14 version is required. You need to install it from here. But I'm not going to install it. Instead of going in another way, I will be clearing this thing and use pip install pip win. So after installing this package, you need to type as pip win install pyaudio. Okay, this will take so much time to install. Until then, I'm closing it and going through the next trick. I'll be minimizing this terminal and opening the Chrome. Okay, see over here, you need to type Python unofficial packages and click enter. After this gets loaded, the first link over here is lft.uci.edu. This is the link you need to click it. Okay, here you will get many packages which will get the error like Microsoft Visual C++ 14 version is required. So you can install it from here. And let us open the find on the page tool and type pyaudio. Sorry, so pyaudio, and just click enter. Let's minimize the screen. It's not searching. So let's type again pyaudio. So it's searching. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, it has searched over here. Let's close the search. So you need to click this thing. I've clicked it, and I am here where the pyaudio gets installed. So sorry. If you're using 64-bit PC, you need to install the first one. If you're using 32-bit, you need to install this. Okay, how to know if you're using 64 or 32? That is, let's open the search and type for this PC, and you need to go through the properties. It will open the settings page if you're using 20H2 version. Okay, you can see our system type. I'm using 64-bit operating system. If you have 32, you need to install the second one. So I am using 64. So I will be clicking this. So it's loading. Yeah, it's here. Sorry, I have installed this yesterday. Let's reinstall it for some security reasons. Save it. Yeah, it had got installed. So the thing you need to do is open the terminal and go through the downloads page where I have installed it. So after getting to the downloads place, just check out the list using ls. Yeah, here's our Python file. So for that you need to do a pip install pyaudio. You need to type this file there. Just click enter after that. It will process, install. Yeah, it's installed successfully. Successfully installed pyaudio without any errors. So that is how to install pyaudio without any errors. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.